Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most common challenges in sub-2 investing, closing costs. If you've ever had a killer deal slip through your fingers because of these expenses, go ahead and stick around. I'm going to be showing you how to leverage 0% business funding to handle those costs without touching your savings or giving up equity. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear strategy for closing sub-2 deals confidently and efficiently, no matter your cash flow situation. Plus, I'll share how to unlock 50,000 to 500,000 in business funding. DM me the word fun on Instagram. I'll have a link here in the description when you're ready to get started. Let's talk about the problem. Sub 2 investing is all about leveraging seller financing, which is great because you avoid traditional mortgages, but closing costs can quickly become a roadblock. These can include title insurance, escrow fees, legal paperwork, and sometimes even repairs or other unforeseen expenses. On average, closing costs for a sub 2 deal can range from 5,000 to 15,000 and higher. In some markets, traditional funding methods like personal loans or hard money lending often come with steep interest rates, long underwriting processes, or the requirement to put up some equity. For investors who are just getting started or scaling their portfolio, these costs can make or break a deal. So here's where business funding changes the game. With 0% APR business credit lines, you can cover the closing costs, inspection fees, and earnest money deposits without tying up personal credit or liquid reserves. Use the 0% interest period, often 12 to 18 months, to manage costs and recoup your investment while the property generates income or is flipped, whatever your exit strategy may be. Think of it as a bridge to success. Instead of losing a deal because you're short on cash, you can move quickly, and here's how to do it. You want to build your business credit. Having a strong business credit profile gives you more access to more capital. If you don't know where to start, you're going to want to check out some of my previous videos or reach out to me directly. Secure business credit lines. Many banks offer 0% APR introductory periods for business credit cards, and I help clients access these type of lines in funding with stacking them from multiple lenders with our personal relationships with different banks, depending on their business structure and their credit worthiness. If you apply the funding strategically and allocate the funds for the highest priority expenses like closing costs, title searches, or even minor repairs, then you're going to want to pay it back smartly. Once your property generates income, whether through a flip, refinance, or rental revenue, you can pay back the funding before the 0% APR period. So let me share a quick story. A client of mine came across a sub 2 deal with 12K in closing costs. They were cash straps. They didn't want to miss the deal or let it slip away. But using business funding, they were able to secure the property, flipped it within 6 months, and walked away with a $50,000 profit, all without spending any of their own money upfront or tapping any equity. So you might be wondering, well, what if I don't have business credit? Well, don't worry. I help clients set up and build business credit from scratch. The next question is it risky to use business credit for real estate? Not if you're strategic. The 0% interest period gives you breathing room to execute your investment plan and pay back the funds. Closing costs shouldn't be the reason you miss out on your next big deal. With the right funding strategy, you could scale your investments and build a portfolio that you're proud of. If you're ready to level up, go ahead and DM me the word fun on Instagram. The link will be in the description. Also, I will have a direct link for getting started. Don't let the upfront costs hold you back. Your next sub 2 deal is closer than you think. If you found value in this video, go ahead and like it, subscribe to the channel, and we can keep on providing more videos like this one directly for real estate investors or anyone that's ever thought about investing or needs more capital for their business. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay financial savvy, build those credit